Hey, welcome back everyone. This is Uncle Frank and I am not a financial advisor, nor is any of the content to be construed as financial advice. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. Okay, before I get to Hycroft, I want to share this post on LinkedIn from Archer Aviation just 6 hours ago, simply titled, "Ready for Takeoff." Does it mean anything? Are they telegraphing an announcement? I don't know, but I sure hope so. Now, this headline also bears mentioning. China's markets saw their biggest single-day drop since 2008 on Tuesday as markets reopened after the Golden Week holidays, setting off a ripple effect throughout Europe. Meanwhile, U.S. markets were nearing September records as tech stocks saw major gains. So, is it time to buy the mine? Hycroft Mining is a U.S.-based gold and silver company exploring and developing the Hycroft Mine, one of the world's largest precious metals deposits located in northern Nevada. Okay, so full disclosure, every time I've taken a run at HYMC, I got my ass kicked, going all the way back to when Adam Aaron said there's gold in them thar hills. Well, I stuck a toe in the water today, and I'm going to give my reasons, and I'm interested in what you think, so feel free to leave a comment. So first, let's state the obvious. Many analysts are coming forward saying gold could hit 3,000. From Reuters, gold bulls set sights on previously dismissed record 3,000 per ounce milestone. Some even think it could happen by the end of this year. From Newsweek, gold could reach 3,000 by the end of 2024 or sooner. After several months of rising prices, goldprice.org says that there has been a 45.93% increase in the price of an ounce over the past year, with a 6.58% increase in the last 30 days. Now, we all know gold has been setting record highs all year. Gold prices keep breaking records in 2024. Central banks are driving the rally. This comment is from August. It's been almost 50 years since U.S. gold futures had their first day of trading, and the precious metal has found a great way to celebrate 28 record high settlements so far this year. But Hycroft is not doing likewise, okay? For over the past 5 years, down 97%. Over the past year, down 20.68%. Over the past month, it is up 13.59%. Over the past week, down 4.88%. 52-week low of $1.63, 52-week high of $4.65, and I think we closed today $234, which is under the 50-day moving average of $257. I'm curious, however, if Hycroft can sprint to higher prices on some big news or a catalyst. So also breaking tonight, decimated Hezbollah says it's ready for ceasefire talks with Israel. So we've got Israel fighting Hezbollah in the north, fighting Hamas to the south, skirmishes with the Houthis, etc. But subscribers to this channel know Uncle Frank believes Israel's attack on Iran isn't an if, but a when, and to what degree. As Israel plots to strike Iran, its choices range from symbolic to severe. So most people aren't arguing whether Israel is going to attack Iran or not. They know that it's going to happen. What they're wondering is it going to be on the oil infrastructure? That could result in $100, $200 oil. Is it going to be the nuclear sites? People are concerned about that. Or are they just going to focus on military installations? Whatever the case, this would be bullish for oil, but also precious metals, in my opinion. Now, here's another potential catalyst that's only 14 days away. BRICS is considering a new currency. Here's what you need to know. Precious metals investors will pay close attention to the upcoming 16th rendition of the annual BRICS Summit scheduled for October 22nd to 24th in Kazan, Russia. From that article, rumors have swirled around the potential unveiling of a BRICS Economic Alliance currency, thought to be called the unit. that will put further pressure on the US dollar amid rising de-dollarization efforts from countries looking to increase economic sovereignty. I don't think they'll officially launch this new currency at this summit, but they may give some details about it. And so far, I've heard they're planning on it to be based on 60% currencies of the participating nation, so like a basket of currencies, but 40% gold. You know, that announcement alone could push gold prices higher. But now let me tell you what I'm worried about. Gold hits all-time high as Fed rate cut hopes bolster appeal. So far, we won't see another Fed meeting till November, and that's directly after the election. If we get a hot inflation number this week, or the jobs market gets out of pocket, that could push out or even rule out future rate cuts and cause gold prices to retreat like a frightened turtle, and then take Hycroft down with it. One other reason I'm looking for a little more exposure to gold are these two headlines. Ukraine takes control of huge Black Sea oil and gas rigs in devastating blow to Putin. Putin abandons and destroys Black Sea Villa in another sign of growing paranoia. All right, so Vladimir Putin just destroyed one of his villas because he thought they were going to, they were going to send drones to attack it. All right, I mean, I don't know how long they can poke at this bear before he gets really angry and swats back hard. I'm just wondering, how high does the price of gold have to go before somebody big decides it's time to buy Hycroft and seriously start digging? This is not investment advice. I'm not an investment advisor. I will never tell you to buy, sell, or hold any security or cryptocurrency. I think it's prudent to mention that the insiders over at Hycroft haven't done any buying this year. So if they're not excited about their future, neither am I. But I think I could get a spike to the upside with all the crazy news out there. And if gold continues its march higher, that could change the math on this company and its stock. Okay, so what's next? The most pressing things are upcoming earnings, Iran, and now China, and of course, inflation. The first thing I want you to know about the week of October 7th is they've got a Fed Reserve member speaking every day, 16 presentations altogether. But starting Wednesday, October 9th, 2 p.m., we're going to see the minutes of the Fed September FOMC meeting. Thursday, the 10th, 8:30 a.m., initial jobless claims, but more important, CPI. And then Friday, producer price index and consumer sentiment. Monday, October 14th, is the Columbus Day holiday. The U.S. bond market will be closed, but the stock market will be open. October 15th and 16th is Ripple's Swell Conference in Miami. October 22nd and 24th is the BRICS Summit in Russia. Please notice the Ripple Conference is exactly 1 week before the BRICS Conference, right? And we could get some earth-shattering and market-moving headlines out of the BRICS Conference and right before the election. This could affect crypto, precious metals, the U.S. bond and stock markets, not to mention the dollar. Thursday, October 17th, we'll see initial jobless claims again and retail sales. I expect Bill Wang of Archegos to be sentenced on Monday, October 20th. So keep an eye out for that. Guys, I recommend you get up early on Friday because JP Morgan Chase, Wells Fargo, BlackRock, and Bank of New York Mellon will all be reporting all before the bell. Holy cow. Hey, I want to thank you for watching, and please remember to hit the like button after this slide if you enjoyed the presentation. Subscribe to the channel and set the alert so you're notified when I have new information to share. See you at the bell.